Look, how healthy is my food. Hindi sana ako kakain for dinner kasi I have lunch already at 4 o'clock. So thank you, Michelle, for the chicken. At meron kaming chicken with malunggay also. That's our lunch. So we lunch together with Michelle. So bumili siya ng chicken kasi meron kaming sa market. May market today dun sa may restaurant. So ngayon, so I don't want to eat my dinner. Sabi ko kay Rika, I will skip dinner. But look, my daughter made this. Tignan niyo kung anong ginawa niya. Kailangan daw akong mag-dinner. Ayan, so pinagawa niya ako nito. Ayan, ayaw niya ako mag-skip ng dinner. Healthy na nga yung aking kinain eh. So pakita ko sa inyo kung ano tong ginawa niya. So this is the dinner and look. So nakita nyo, wow, pulang-pula ha. Yan ang dinner ko ngayon. At tingnan nyo, with red rice. Ano daw to eh? Ano bang tawag dito? Yung Korean, what is this? How you call this? Korean bimbab? How you call this one?
Bibimbap?
Bibimbab. But he use, he use pokeball pala. It's a pokeball, but she used the, look, kung anong ginamit niya, oh. So, gumamit siya ng red rice kasi yun daw ang healthy para sa akin. Pero kita nyo, pipino, diba, carrots, naku, napaka-healthy, grabe. Magiging healthy talaga ako nito. So, ayan po ang dinner ni Macarena.
Yucky, healthy food.
Hi, thank you Ate Rika, Baby Rika, thank you for the food. Ayan, may hipon pa, mas grabe talaga ang healthy. May mga beans pa, oh. So, healthy ang food ko. At talagang dinala pa niya dito. So, dinner in bed ako. Ayan. So, need ko daw ubusin lahat to. So, gusto nyo? Hati tayo. Ay, may avocado pa pala, oh. Look. Hindi ko maubos-ubos. Ang dami naman binigay sa akin ng anak ko. At with avocado pa. Nakita nyo kung gaano ka-healthy. Ayan ang red rice, oh. May hipon. Kita nyo? So, this is the healthy dinner made by Baby Rika. Thank you so much, Baby Rika. Ayan, may avocado. Everything is healthy daw at beans. So, ayan, dinner na tayo. Hindi ko na maubos, pero I will try.